How to protect your business from thieves. If you're a business owner, you obviously want your business to be secure at all times. Of course, a business is not only a favorite job but also a lot of time and investment you have implemented in its creation and development. Now we have many ways to increase the level of protection of your office or company, but are they all worth paying attention to? In this video, we have considered the most effective ways to protect the business, so watch on. Development of a security strategy. First of all, you should develop a plan according to which you will create a security system for your business. So, with the help of an experienced specialist, you can develop a security strategy that will include all the safety systems that need to be installed. Improvement of the door locks. First, you can replace all the locks in the office, protecting yourself from unwanted guests who have old keys. In addition, you can consider installing smart locks, which can significantly increase your business's security level. Installation of video surveillance cameras. This security tool is worth installing because, with its help, you can monitor the security of your office even remotely. In order to increase the effectiveness of your video surveillance cameras, it is enough to consult a specialist and determine the correct spots for installation. Connection of the alarm system. That's another security tool that ensures a high level of security for your property. With its help, you will receive a notification about a break-in attempt immediately after the sensors detect the thief. Purchase of a safe. It helps to ensure that all your valuables are protected. However, before buying, it is better to consider which type of safe is best for your case. These are the main measures that can improve your business's safety. If you need professional locksmith assistance to implement any of them, give us a call.